Aeroplanes can weigh hundreds of tons. So why don't they simply fall from the sky? The answer is lift created by pressure difference. As an aeroplane moves forward, air flows around its wings. The wing is specially shaped. Air above the wing moves faster. Air below the wing moves slower. Faster moving air creates lower pressure above the wing. The air below the wing has higher pressure. This pressure difference creates an upward force called lift. When lift becomes strong enough to balance the plane's weight, the aeroplane stays in the air.